Hi and welcome to Magic Scanner website, a fundamental stock selector for KLSE and SGX financial market. You're about to learn the secrets to raking in double to triple digit return per annum in trading or investing, no matter how much time you've had to prepare. It doesn't matter if you've never had any past experience or education, this Magic Scanner will tell you everything you need to know without spending too much brain power. This is unlike any tool you'll find out there. It's the edge that most analysts and fund managers want or have. Go ahead and get yours now.
Hello everyone, I'd like to welcome you to another session. Probably is the final session of the closing bell, which is a weekly market update that we've been doing almost for 2 years now. So this would be the final closing bell for year 2012, and over the last 52 weeks or 50 weeks, if you're considering 1 or 2 weeks that I did take off, we have picked a lot of stocks to study and case study, and certainly last week, the last 2 week pick, the TWS and Sing, I believe, K Sing, that last 2 was really a finale to the final closing bell for year 2012. So that has been very good. And going forward to the first week of January 2013, we're going to be looking at a couple of case study too, and let's hope that we should have a 2013 a better year than 2012. And I do think, judging from what has been discussed and looking at the valuation of the KLSE and looking at the data that's presented to me, I believe this bull market rally will continue. We might see a dip during the announcement of the general election 13. Having said that, all things being the same, I believe the coalition will continue to win, even the coming election. What do you all think about the next general election? Just want to see some feedback. What do you think about the next coming election, GE13? Who do you think will still win? Alright, hope you get some feedback here. Okay, because that's going to be important to show the direction where we are today. Any feedback? Who do you think is going to win the next election? Okay, coalition. Okay, good. Thanks a lot, Aaron. That's all I need. Okay, first I want to start off with this sort of like an update where we are. I hope you can see this. This is of the respective market as of 27 December, where the market has been doing over the last 1 year, year-to-date return. Most notable one would be, let me just get this right, is this the Dow Jones, which is around the 7.3, not too bad. Now, right at the bottom in here, you can keep an eye on the bigger font size is the 9.8, okay, which is almost close to 10%, not too bad. So I've been getting a lot of feedback that a lot of our graduates as well of our premium members are getting return around 10 to 12%, and to me that has been very, very good, because you did beat the index by 9.8 times, by 2% point, because the market only did about 10%. Of course, looking at the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq, they are doing pretty alright. But the real surprise has been the I believe is the Japanese market in here. This is the Sensex, which is I believe this is a Bombay, recovered well. The Shanghai market didn't do much. It did make a decent almost 1%. Now remember, this is of the 27th December. The Hang Seng and the Nikkei was definitely the darling. What we have seen so far, almost a replicate of what has happened on the 22%. And not far behind is the Singapore market. If I do have it here, Straits Time, which is about 20%. Now don't forget, last year this market, Nikkei, Hang Seng and the Straits Time of Singapore, were in the negative territory. So if we add those 2 years and you even it out, they're pretty much the same. Last year, our CI was only up about, I believe, plus 0.7%, and this year we're up about 9.8. I can't remember off my head, but definitely one of the best performer has been, Philippines in here, and a lot been said about what is happening. All the Filipinos are going back to Philippines to work because a lot of jobs being created in there. The economy is booming. There's a fairer sense of playing field among the industry in here. So that's why we see a tremendous flow of foreign funds into the country. So that's policy is very important. Now, on 47 million, on the good side, you can also see, okay, the audio has lost. Okay,